Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and this is a TrendTrade conservative sell trade example on the 4-hour time frame. This is the example that we're looking at. So I'll just place my markers here. Alrighty, so the signal bar, the bar prior to the trend profiteer display arrow, is the bar that we're concerned with that gives the signal. Obviously, Trend Profiteer will provide all of these alerts for you in MetaTrader and by email if you wish, and to your mobile device by notification. However, it's great to be able to get a good understanding of the system that you're trading. Alrighty, so first of all, we need to see an overall trend direction of down, and we need to have 4 or more of the 6 high time frame indicators pointing down for that to occur. In this case, we have 4, which is good enough. The trend followers changed to red. The yellow moving average is below the gray moving average. The price is below the yellow moving average. The RSI is below the 50. The MACD histogram must be below the 0 line. It must be red, and it must be below the signal line. And finally, the white stochastic trend line must be below the blue stochastic line. So in this case, all criteria are met for a trend trade conservative sell. We'd place the stop just above the gray moving average. It's a slow moving average. So 30 pips, say 40 pips. And in this case, it really didn't go against the position more than a couple of pips on the following bar. 40 pips would have been a first target here, giving us a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 80 pips just here, giving us a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. After this consolidation period, we would get down to 120 pips here, giving us a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 160 pips would give us a 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio, and 200 pips here, 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio, and okay, and we've got a 240 pips for a 6-to-1 reward to risk ratio, and even went down a little bit to its final ultimate low. But 6-to-1 reward to risk ratio, that's for the 40 pips that we risked. We generated on this example a potential maximum of 240 pips. So that concludes this example for a trend trade conservative sell on the 4-hour time frame. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.